Hello, fresh off the Empower by Rootswork kitchen documentaries. We're gonna be cooking yardbird, a chicken and duck together combo. We're gonna be using Smilers and Didi's blend made by Empower by Rootswork to flavor. Then we're gonna add some pink Himalayan and black salt to help flavor. So right now we're gonna proceed with peeling and cutting up veggies or starchy products. And these are Irish potatoes, by the way. We're gonna keep the skin, so I'm just gonna scrub them with the back of the knife. Just get off all the little loose parts that will come off. Now I'm gonna do large and small chunks. I know there's a faster way than that with a Brillo pad. Right. Got that nail. Alright. That seems a little foolish. No thought process to the madness. I'm just going balls deep, cook on it. Do some of these where they're minced, so the starchy process of it helps to thicken and create a nice gravy base, like without adding flour or any more starch to the meal. All right, here it goes. I'm gonna add a huge piece of ginger, some fresh onions. Okay, I'm gonna get the pot going, put it in a high. I'm gonna do a generous portion. Basically the same here. This one is just, I had a little hint of spice in there. Hmm, that's dry. Bring out some of that flavor. Come in with some bok choy next. Been dodging these bad boys right here. The cocoa because they're so filthy. Seeds for the garden. Balancing when we get closer to the finish. These are cocoa. They're similar to potatoes. Yeah. Starchy. That's fine. Human interaction, welcome. You're cutting them in bigger chunks. They're a little bit. They're not as dense as the potato. Using traditional meal in Belize. Boil up, which is a Creole meal. Slave meal, slave food. And they were giving it to the slaves because of the starch content. so that you can get the more production, get them to do more work. So that's why the traditional diet from that phase of life changed the whole schematic of eating, food consumption. Oil now. I'm gonna try and minimize that because the duck is fatty.